Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Here we go. We have a couple of pasture-raised eggs. Look at the size of these babies. Beautiful. Some American cheese. Yes, it's the best for melty. That's some sourdough toast. That's some bacon. That's some greens, some lettuce, and some mayo. Mike Foster here. I got a pan ready to fry those eggs. How you doing? I'm gonna make a killer sandwich. Fried egg, bacon, cheese, lettuce, and mayo. That's a mouthful. And the sandwich is gonna be a mouthful. Let's put this bad boy together and check out this killer fried egg and bacon sandwich. All right, this is a medium pan. Let's throw some butter down. All right, let's put one egg right here as a baby. Here's the other one right here. Oh yeah. Let's put a little pepper on both these. Those should be ready in about just a little less than a minute. We'll flip them. All right, let's do the old flipperoo here. Little flipperoo here. We're gonna cover these with cheese. One there, cover this one. When that toast is ready, I'll put this baby together. Lightly toasted, little mayo on both sides. Oh my God, look at, there's a hole right there. It's a donut, it's a bagel. Gonna put a bunch of bacon right here. 3 pieces. I'm gonna load this baby up with lettuce. Why? Because it's a lettuce sensation. A little mayo to catch all the sticky. Now those eggs. Oh my goodness. We're gonna put one here. I'm gonna put one here. Put that baby right there. Do the flipperoo. Here's the old sliceroo. Oh, that's a beauty. I'm not kidding. Here's the reveal, babies. Look at that. Let's get a close-up and then big bite. There's the close-up. Oh, I can't wait for a big bite. There it is. Look at that. Could it possibly taste good? Let's see. Oh. The key is the mayo and the lettuce. That has its own flavor. Then you get the creaminess of the egg, cheese, and then that bacon comes in and says, well, don't mess around, I'm baking. And this is what you have left. Try this sandwich. Try all my videos at Live Life 365 and all my socials. Check it out. Till next time. Peace out.
Live life 365.
The butter got a little brown, so nothing's going wrong, just the butter got brown. Ladies and butter people. It's all happening. I just punched in a lot of this. I'm stupid. It's a complete disaster. This is all going in the outtakes. I'm the star. That's disgusting. Now that was one of the Baba-ist Babas. What's behind me? What is it? What is it? It's nothing. Baba.